Welcome back, and we go back to the top story that we're following this hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took his first shot of the COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin. Earlier this morning, the Prime Minister tweeted, and I'm quoting what he said, "Remarkable how our doctors and scientists have worked in quick time to strengthen the global fight against COVID-19, unquote. Prime Minister also shared an image of himself taking the first dose of the vaccine. Of course, now we are getting live visuals of the Prime Minister being administered that vaccine at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences earlier this morning. After taking the vaccine, the Prime Minister, of course, urged and appealed to all those who are eligible to take the Covaxin shot to make India COVID-19 free. A nurse from Puducherry was the one who actually administered the first dose of the vaccine to the Prime Minister earlier this morning. The Prime Minister taking this vaccine, of course, will essentially be a shot in the arm for India's anti-COVID fight. He's leading the way. He's urging everybody above the age of 60 to go ahead and take that jab and make India COVID-19 free. Of course, the Prime Minister leading really from the front on as far as this is concerned, because there has been a lot of hesitancy that we've seen on part of people over vaccinations, and that is something that the government and the Prime Minister are hoping to tackle with these images that you see on your television screen. So India, of course, has begun its second round rather of vaccinations that we are seeing today. Let me go across to Sumi first, who's reporting from outside AIIMS. Sumi, the Prime Minister, of course, was administered the homegrown Covaxin that's been developed by Bharat Biotech in association with the ICMR. Give us more details.
Absolutely. This morning was certainly a great morning and historic one at that, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi received the first jab of the indigenous vaccine that has been made by the Bharat Biotech, and that is Covaxin. And he received his first jab right here behind me in the AIIMS facility, and that is a very historic in a sense, because the Prime Minister himself, he is the supreme leader of the country, and him receiving the first jab of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is certainly historic, because there is a lot of reluctance as when it comes to the citizens around this vaccine, and the opposition has also done its part to to ridicule all of that. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself received the first jab, and the moment he was done with the immunization inoculation, rather, he came out and tweeted and expressed about his entire experience. And the nurse that inoculated the Prime Minister is from Puducherry, Sessa P. Niveda, and another nurse who can be seen in the visual is the nurse from Kerala. And in fact, the gamcha that can be seen worn by the Prime Minister is from Assam, and he has been certainly carrying that gamcha all around. This is not the first time that he's been donning that gamcha. It has the blessings of the women of Assam. So yes, these are the historic visuals that are coming our way, in the form of Prime Minister receiving the first jab. There has been a lot of reluctance and this around the vaccine, because there are two indigenous vaccines, one by the Serum Institute of India and another by Bharat Biotech, which is known as Covaxin. And the Bharat Biotech, all of these vaccines have received the emergency use authorization by the National Drugs Regulator, and that is how these vaccines have now been available at all the private hospitals, identified private hospitals, and all the government hospitals. And at the government hospitals, they are free of cost, whereas at the private hospitals, these vaccines will be available at ₹250 per person per dose, because that is the cap fixed by the government for the COVID vaccine. And from today, the second phase of world's largest immunization drive begins, and the registration of it also.